So, good day sir. Ito po yung extension ng demo namin na para maipakita po namin yung features na hindi na isama sa live demo kanina. This is para po mapakita namin yung whole potential ng aming website. So, ang itatakal natin dito is yung mga features na nadagdag namin like yung PIWA and voice commands for navigation, searching rooms, reserving, and canceling reservation po. So, first is yung PIWA. Since na-install na po namin siya previously, nakalagay na siya dito, open reservations, instead of install or add to home screen. So, pag in-open natin yan, nag-redirect siya dun sa application or sa PIWA. So, mag-login tayo. So, una po ay ipapakita ko yung navigation using voice command.
I'm listening.
Please go to view rooms.
Opening rooms. I'm listening.
Magpunta ka sa dashboard.
Opening dashboard. I'm listening.
Magpunta ka sa bookings.
Opening bookings.
So, ito po yung navigation natin. Okay, so next one is yung search rooms using voice command. So, we can manually search naman. Kunyari, room 302. Ayan, lalabas siya. So, pwede natin siyang ma-search using manual typing and also the voice. So, mag-try tayo. We can search by the room name or capacity or by floor. So, let's try it.
I'm listening.
Please search for rooms in the 3rd floor.
Here's what I found. Rooms 301, 302, ABR. I'm listening.
Look for Computer Lab 1.
Got one for you. Room Computer Lab 1.
Okay, so let's move on to reserving rooms. So, i-demonstrate ko naman yung pagre-reserve ng rooms through voice command.
I'm listening.
Gusto kong mag-reserve.
Sure, just say the full command.
AVR today from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Done. ABR has been reserved from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Redirecting to your bookings.
Okay, so dito makikita natin nag-go through yung reservation natin through voice command. So, ika-cancel naman natin to.
I'm listening.
I want to cancel reservation.
Sure, just tell me the room and date of the reservation you'd like to cancel.
Room AVR on June 9.
I found your reservation for ABR on June 9th from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Are you sure you want to cancel it?
Yes, i-cancel.
Done. Your reservation has been canceled successfully. Redirecting to your bookings.
Okay, so nag-expire yung token. Let's log in again. So, ayun. As we can see, natuloy yung cancel niya. So, for the last demo, we want to show you the admin side. So, dito makikita yung manage reservations, which pwedeng mag-approve and reject ng pending requests. So, let's try to approve room 102. Okay, so let's approve it. And as we can see, makikita natin siya sa approved section. So, which means functional yung ating system. So, nagre-reflect din siya to the notifications. So, that will be our extended demo. Maraming salamat sa time niyo, sir. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. Maraming salamat po uli and have a nice day.